Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, my name is Tweenie. In this video we are going to show you the TWIN BUSCH 4-post double park lift, TW436P-D2. The TW436P-D2 has up to 3,600 kilograms of lifting power and has safety lock positions the entire way up, starting at approximately 45 centimeters of lift height. The vehicle anti-roll safeguard protects the vehicle from unintentionally rolling off, and the slack cable and cable breakage safeguard protect the tracks from slanting, for example in the event of unintentional blockage. The TW436P-D2 is intended for vehicles with varying wheelbases and is additionally accessible from both sides. Let's have a look at the lift under actual conditions. To do that, in our case we first of all put it into position with the mobile kit. The platform requires no high voltage current connection and can be operated directly with regular 230 volt connection for power supply. We move the lift upwards with the up button to be able to remove the mobile kit. Now we can lower the platform and connect the supplied access ramps. Long access ramps also make the lift well suited for sports cars. We will apply the vehicle anti-roll safeguard protection before moving upwards. Vehicles are also additionally protected by applying the supplied wheel chocks. We will now raise the lift. We see the foot guard here, which helps maintain a safety clearance to the tracks during downward movement. Pullers, shown here without the cover, are lubricated for extended durability and have bronze bearings. The hydraulic cylinder pulls the cable in under the track and thereby lifts the tracks. Finally, we set the tracks down in the uppermost safety lock in order to relieve stress on the hydraulics during longer dwell times. The maximum ground clearance after coming to rest in the uppermost lock position is about 1.72 meters. All movable components on the lift are galvanized or powder coated and are therefore protected from rusting. Attachment to the ground is not necessary if the lift is used purely as a parking lift. However, if the lift is used for assembly or repair work, then the lift should be affixed to the floor. And another suggestion, if our double park lift is too wide for your application, then also have a look at our classic park lift, TW436P. The lift has locking positions every 100 mm, allowing cars to be parked at variable heights. In this way, your given ceiling height can be used optimally. Lowering the lift. To let the lift down, the safety lock must first be disengaged. The lift can then be unlocked and moved downward when the release lever is pressed. All that remains to do is to connect the ramps. Finished. Included accessories. The scope of delivery includes 4 wheel chocks and 2 crossbeams with which, for example, a vehicle can be temporarily raised with a bottle jack. The supplied crossbeam allows you to carry out simple repairs yourself. The mobile kit for easily moving the lift is available as an option, as well as oil drip tray to protect vehicles parked below. Axle lifter TW436PW is also available for lift TW436P-D2. And offset plates TW436P-PV allow you to make the lift narrower by moving the motor and control unit from the side to the front or rear. The oil drip trays. You can protect vehicles parked below by using the optionally available oil drip trays. Working with the optional jacking beam. For professional work, we recommend the twin bush axle lifter for park lift TW436PW. The plug-in adapter and extendable arms allow the axle lifter to optimally adapt to any particular vehicle. We will now briefly show you how it operations. The lowering valve must be closed. The car can then be raised by pumping. For lowering, press the unlocking lever and open the lowering valve. Take advantage of our all-in-one service. We offer a nationwide delivery, assembly and spare parts service in most countries.